Welcome everyone and thanks for tuning in. Let's get started with this Project 2020 Factory 5 GTM sent in by viewer Andy. Thanks for sending it in, Andy. Appreciate it. It's listed for $45,000 US in McHenry, Illinois. It is a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, number 144 of less than 600 Factory 5 GTMs, no motor or transmission. Everything is there to complete minus the engine and trans. $45,000 or best offer. And next we have this 1965 Ford 23T bucket, listed for $18,500 US in Flint, Michigan. It is an automatic transmission and from the seller's description. Fiberglass T-bucket has been sitting, but I started it and drove it last week. Comes with nitrous bottle, but it's not hooked up. Carbs should be done and probably some maintenance to the supercharger, and the engine has an intermittent oil leak. May do partial trade for the right Harley. Alright, here we have a 1969 Barry Mini T Dune Buggy, listed for $9,000 US in Wendell, North Carolina. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. 1969 Barry Mini T, padded roll bar, custom snap-on soft top roof, dual cannon exhaust, runs and drives great, would consider trade for Camaro or Firebird, $9,000 or best offer. Okay, here we have a 1929 Gazelle kit, listed for $5,000 US in New River, Arizona. It is an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, new paint, interior, tires, and custom fiberglass hardtop, 2.3 liter Mustang, automatic transmission, firm on price, runs great, drives great, registration is for 1929, no emissions. And here we have a 1979 Kelmark GT, listed for $17,000 Canadian in Westport, Ontario. It's been driven 17,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1979 Kelmark GT, factory built and restored from the ground up, fresh rebuilt 1600cc engine, may consider trading on an RV. Alright, here we have a 2004 Infiniti Vaydor body kit listed for $85,000 US in Burbank, California. It's been driven 74,000 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Vaydor body kit from custom crafted cars on a solid 2004 Infiniti G35 platform, 650 horsepower LS7 crate motor, air ride suspension, big Brembo brakes. The interior and exterior cosmetics require attention and restoration. Alright, this one is listed simply as a hot rod kit car, listed for $19,500 Canadian in Sussex, New Brunswick. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, short and sweet, used and in great shape. Okay, another generically named one. Here's a street legal dune buggy, listed for $11,500 US in Walled Lake, Michigan. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, street legal Corvair powered dune buggy, Holley 4-barrel carb and headers, no VW parts, full manufactured 3x2-inch tube steel frame, 4-speed transmission. Alright, here we have a 1929 Ford Roadster, listed for $11,000 US in Disputanta, Virginia. It's been driven 62,443 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1929 Ford Roadster kit car with a fiberglass body, runs and drives well, 327 V8 engine, 700 R4 automatic transmission, no trades. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1984 Lamborghini Countach, listed for $15,000 US in Mount Pleasant, Pennsylvania. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, Lamborghini Countach kit on a 1984 Fiero chassis, quad 4 engine, runs and drives. This is a project car, but most of the hard work is done. Lights and turn signals work as they should. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.